So, people are always trying to figure out how to do a bird's eye view for cheap. So, I had been searching and searching on the internet to try to find a DIY way of setting up a bird's eye view so that I can do some how to videos. So, this is very, very DIY ish. So, what this is, I'm a photographer, so I have a lot of rods around for background drops and light stands. So, this is simply the connecting rod for my backdrop stand. So, what I did, this is Jimmy rigged, like for real. You want cheap, this is as cheap as it's going to get because great idea just came to me. If you don't have a connector like this thing is really heavy. It probably weighs maybe 5 pounds. But you could use a broom as well. All you need is a stick of some sort and something to put it under like that. So I just have mine stuck under my cabinet or island. So you can definitely figure it out. You may just have to position your stuff in a way that you have the space to put it under something. So that's really all. I can show you what the bird's eye view looks like. So basically, I am going to glue my, not glue, I am going to tape my phone to the end of the pole, just one, two, maybe three rounds. And look at there. Now, as you can see, my setup is over there, but that's okay because I could even set it up like that. But I prefer this angle. So I'm going to move my little art stand over here and I'll be working right in this area. But look at that. I mean, if you can find a broom or a wooden pole of some sort from like Home Depot, you could literally make this rig in less than 5 minutes. So hopefully that helps someone. I know that I was looking for an easy way to get a bird's eye view and I figured this out. So I wanted to post it to hopefully help someone else that's looking for a really cheap and easy DIY option when it comes to bird's eye view for how-to videos, art videos, unboxing, unveiling, anything that you just want your hands and not your face to be in. So once again, hopefully it helps someone. Stay tuned for more videos on how to and how not to and what to do and what not to do and how to be your most creative self. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.